Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sonali Belekar. Today we are going to understand what is LIC Jeevan Umang Plan. LIC Jeevan Umang Plan has unique features. This plan can be selected for the different purpose you have in your life. Say for example, if you're looking for a passive income, you can decide today what passive income you will require in future to maintain your lifestyle. You decide, for example, you want to have a passive income, say for monthly 50,000. So today you need to invest 50,000 per month for 15 years, and then you can enjoy 50,000 lifetime. So do you find this interesting? In simple words, I say this plan is like an ATM card with lifetime balance. Most of the times you keep a buffer amount in your saving account, or you divert it into any other kind of investment. But when you require it, there are chances that you might spend that amount. This plan ensures not only saving, but it will take care of your one of the goal which is there in future, and it will give you consistent income. So that consistency of the income throughout a period is very important feature of Jeevan Umang plan. Number 2, say for example, pension. Pension is such a thing which is going to be required in future, and that is going to be required when we are not earning any amount. So this plan is a perfect choice for the people who want to plan for a pension. It will make sure the amount received is tax free, it is consistent. So consistency is a very important feature I would like to again and again highlight when you select this plan. You must be aware about the pension previously people used to get. Now they need to plan it as early as possible, and gone are the days where typically people will plan the pension to receive at the age of 50 or 60. If you plan it at the early age, you can receive it as early as just after 15 years. So don't you think it is interesting? Just you need to know more detail about the plan. Third, this plan also can be a perfect gift for your wife, to your mother, or any of the family member, where you want to make sure that you give them something special on their birthday or anniversary. You can make one that special day very important and very special when you receive some amount every year, and that is fixed. What are the different other features of this plan? The amount received is consistent, fixed throughout the life. You also get a natural cover and accidental cover in this plan. This plan also carries the benefit of tax under section 80C. Amount which you receive in this plan is totally tax free. You also have a facility to get a loan if required in between the policy period of that period. You also have a choice to take a lump sum amount anytime in this plan. Say after 15 years, 20 years, you say I don't want to have a regular income every month. You have a choice to take the entire amount in lump sum. Also at the same time, you are receiving the amount every year, plus you are leaving a lump sum amount for your family after your life. So these are the different features of Jeevan Umang plan. Say for example, if you keep some amount in your saving account, you will hardly receive a rate of interest to 3 to 3.5% in today's days. If you compare it with the interest rate in the foreign countries, the rate of interest is negative in certain countries and less than 1 in the range of 1 to 2%. So if you are able to save a decent amount and park your amount in this plan, it will make sure that it will give you amount guaranteed throughout your lifetime. Take an example of a businessman. If he is keeping certain amount in the current account, you get a 0 interest rate. So if you park some amount in this Jeevan Umang plan, what will happen is it will make sure of certain things. Number 1, amount is tax free. Number 2, it is guaranteed. It will also give you a risk cover. Generally people take a term plan to protect the risk, but this plan will ensure your life cover throughout the lifetime. So what do you think? Should we have this plan in our portfolio? If you think so, why wait? Just give a call or message on the number mentioned below. We will be happy to customize the plan as per your requirement and give you for your future. Thank you so much. Once again, thanks again for watching our video. If you like it, you can comment in the section below and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.